Hey guys, what's up? WarPigmtg here, and this is a pack opening video and giveaway sponsored by my good friend Patrick. So what we have here is 3 packs of 5th Dawn and 1 pack of Core Set 8th Edition that I will be giving away today after opening these packs. So 5th Dawn, really cool set. What we're hoping for is some cool rares like Crucible of Worlds, also Serum Visions, a really cool card worth more than most rares and is just a cantrip. So here are some commons. Cranial Plating, also a really good common to get in 5th Dawn packs. And wow, Serum Visions. That's a really good card. And now on to our uncommons. And a rare is Joiner Adept. So it can make your lands produce any color of mana. So that's pretty cool. Onto our second 5th Dawn pack. There's another Serum Visions. That is probably the best card you can hope for in 5th Dawn packs because it's worth $250 a piece, which is absolutely nuts. Another Cranial Plating. The commons in this pack look very similar to the commons in the last pack, which is pretty cool. And on to our uncommons. Gemstone Array. And our rare is Summoning Station. And on to our last 5th Dawn pack. Engineered Explosives, also another cool card in these packs that we can hope for. Aryak Champion, Staff of Domination, Vendalken Shackles, Eternal Witness, also a good uncommon. So let's get right into this pack. Trying to get the camera to focus here. There we go. Condescend. That is also a really good card. Now we're on to our uncommons. Etched Oracle. Pretty cool. And a rare is Beacon of Tomorrows, and that is actually a good card. Believe it or not, one of the more popular cards. One of the more popular rares that we could have gotten in these 5th Dawn packs. So there are our rares, and we did get a bunch of Serum Visions, 2 of them, and those 2 alone are worth $250 a piece. So those are really good. And this is the 8th edition pack that I will be giving away on behalf of Patrick, because he's awesome and he likes to see my channel succeed. And he's a really cool guy and very selfless. Always loves to give. And yeah, so the criteria, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, comment to enter, and if you win, you must send me a PM telling me what you got in the 8th edition pack on request of Patrick. So with that said, the contest will end maybe when I get 810 subscribers, or in about 2 weeks from now. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed watching some 5th Dawn packs being cracked, because they're not very common to find. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.